Friends, welcome back to my channel. So today is giveaway and I'm so excited about that, and let's select the giveaway winner using the same comment picker website. So usually I'll be using that because that is the mostly used comment picker website and I'm using that. So let's select the giveaway winner by pasting the link on that box on that tab. So this is a random selection. Sorry for this, because if you're not a winner in this, don't worry about that because we have lot more giveaways coming soon. So stay tuned friends and stay supportive. So friends, let's generate how many comments in this. So I have received 23 individual comments, and let's select the winner. I hate this advertisements. Yeah, I don't like it. And the winner is Sneha Kavi. So she is the winner and I'm going to ask picture on Instagram and let's draw her. So friends, sorry for this if you're not a winner in this giveaway, and don't worry about that because this is just a random selection and I'm not picking anyone by my own. So if you are not a winner, just leave this because there are lot of giveaways coming soon. If you are ready to give your support as like the same and even more, there are a lot more giveaways coming soon because I had said that I'll be giving giveaway for every 100 subscriber change until 2k subscribers. So we are now in 800 and there are a lot more giveaways in this queue itself, and after that I'll be giving giveaway for each and every month. So don't worry about that and stay tuned friends. So share this video to your friends and spread our community as a lot and as like the same right you are doing now. Thank you so much friends for your support and for your love. This is not a word which will going to met your love and affection, but this is the only word which I'm having right now. Yeah, everybody, thank you so much. Enjoy this video friends. Yeah, bye. Enjoy this video. Hey friends, hope you understand my exact situation and the exact thing right here, because I had shown you the process of selecting winner. There is a reason for that, because you may think or some may think that I am selecting my friends as winners, but that could be happen in some time by my fate. Yeah, this is just a luck, right? This is a random selection. I'm not selecting anyone by my own and I'm showing the process to you. Hope you understand the thing. And friends, if you are a new friend of mine or if you are new to this channel, I'd love to have you subscribed here and turn on the post notifications, because I'll be uploading lot of useful videos, especially on drawing, mostly, and 99% it will be on drawing. Rather, it will be tutorial or it will be speed drawing. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe for that, and I'm having giveaways too. I'm just encouraging you to, what I can say, I'm just giving back the love. That's it. And friends, once again, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family, and if you have any suggestion, just leave in the comment section. Thank you so much friends. See you